Guys, yeah, I got my day started again. Yeah, I made a trip over here to the Dollar Tree. Let me just finish backing out here so I can see everything. I know y'all can see me. Okay, so I made a trip to the Dollar Tree. Man, I was gonna do them a little props, but I got in there. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna disclose that location because I don't want no trouble, and I don't want them to get in no trouble. But I was tripping over stuff. I was sneezing, boxes packed up everywhere. I was like, what in the haberdashery is going on here? Okay, I mean, they need to unpack. I'm like, young man, you all need some help? I could do a half day if you want me to. I help you guys get some of this stuff unpacked and on the shelf. Oh, we need help, but we don't have no money to pay. Oops. Did I say that? Okay, well, he said it to me. So, that's okay. I'm not going to disclose their location. And Dollar Tree just need to come a little better than that. Okay, that said, let's see. I'm going to pay attention to the road here because my next stop is probably going to be in the bank. And, yeah, I don't want to miss the bank, but I can't take you all in there with me. So, yeah, so when I stop this video, it's going to be for me to go in the bank, take care of some business, and then, yeah, and then get back out with you all. Watch these folks on the road, too. The bank's probably maybe about 10-15 minutes away. So I am going to just pause the video for now, and I'll catch back up with you as soon as I come out of the bank. Alrighty, stay tuned for more of my day. Hey, so I'm back. So I was just thinking, I didn't get to the bank yet, but I was just thinking maybe we'll do a walk through Walmart today. See what's going on in there. What's going on in the WWW of Walmart. Let's go see what's going on in the aisles of Walmart today. I hope it won't be another bad experience, because I get tempted to go online and make a report. But as long as I get good customer service, I won't complain. Customer service is everything. When your customers want and need something, do everything you can to make sure they get what they need. And everything will be okay. Because all it takes is just one disgruntled customer to dive your business. Nope, let's keep it going up. Make sure you pride yourself on giving your customers quality service. Quality customer service. Yeah. So, let's continue this ride. I'll be back. Okay. You know how they are. You go in that bank, you got to put that mask on. Whoopsie. Well, here we go. So, I think we'll go do that walkthrough at Walmart now and see what's going on over there. I have a few things that I need to do for myself. That shadow almost looked like it's a shadow of the flag, but it almost looked like someone was crossing the street there behind my car. I was like, what? Why we got a shadow and no person? Okay, well, got to pay close attention to what's going on the road at all times, okay? No matter if you're recording or not. So, yep, that said, it is like 2 o'clock and there's a lot of traffic. So I'm going to pause the camera again and I'll see you at Walmart. So I did come to Walmart, guys, and I came to my favorite department. Look at color. Don't you just love color? Look how neat those threads are. Oh yeah. And if you need a sewing machine, they have those too. I see they still have this Singer 44S heavy duty that it's excellent either for a beginner or someone who's experienced. So if you're looking for a machine, it is a good machine. It can handle all of your easy work, and as well as it does buttonholes and zigzag and some other stretch stitches, so that's good. And then they have a few notions here you can get. Now this is like I said, my favorite department. Like I come in here and like I could be in here for a long time. Look at this. Look at those fabrics. Neat. They almost look like they're color coded, but you know, I guess it's part of the marketing thing. And then if you need quick pieces that's already cut, they have all of these. If you're into bandanas, you're doing stuff for puppies, for children, they have quite a bit. And then they have the solids you can put with it to match. And these are like questionable blends that they bring in. But now that it's kind of cool, you know, anything in a knit will be good to keep you warm. That's a nice pretty orange. Here's a pink. Yep. They got a little bit. Yeah. So that's my take on this for now. Yep. See, they got toys. Toys over there for the kids. They don't need no toys. Okay. But, you know, Scrooge time is over. I'm sorry. Okay, let me pause this. Yeah, I come in here for inspiration. You can get paint brushes, popsicle sticks, even the ones with little grooves if you're into putting stuff together. Yeah, you can do that. They have little kits. I call them kitty kits. Make a little wind chime. I guess grown folks use them too, but I don't. And then there's glitter. If you ever get behind on your glitter stuff, come in here. They got a nice variety pack. Yep. They have glitter glue. Oh yeah. If you're looking for any of this stuff, yep, they have it. They even have the white feathers. I don't see the black ones. I see the black lettering. You don't catch up on these too often. Let me see. I did a video on making key fobs. Here's the key rings that you can get. Yeah. They have them in colors too. I prefer to just stick to these so I don't have to worry about what they're going to match to. Stuff for beading. Elastic bands. Let's see. I don't see. Hold on, maybe it's on the other side. There's more paint, more brushes, stencils. I have stencils. I mean, I really have a store at home. I'm not going to buy any of this today, but I'm just sharing. So that's what's going on in Walmart right now. if you're a crafter. Yep, you're an artist, whatever you call yourself, whatever title you hold. Yep, okay. I'm gonna leave it there so I can check out and go home. They have fabric adhesive over here with the paints. I don't know why. But if I were looking for it, I wouldn't be looking for it here. Maybe just... Nope. There it is. Aleene's, it says right there. So that's where they put it. So, mine's not the reason why. But there's the E6000 and the Gorilla Glues up here. Alright. Well, there you have it. Happy crafting.